Ooh.
Lick it. Eat it.
Good boy.
Look at me. I didn't do it. Look at that bum. Look at that tail wagging.
Happy? Yeah? Oh, too full, don't roll over. Hi. Are you dreaming? What are you dreaming of? Oh, you're so lovely. Who's that? You good boy. Yeah, you are, Dave. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Hey, Dave. What are you doing? Say hi. That's a beautiful nose you got there. This is Dave. He's the new addition to Ellie and John's household. He's a pedigree Labrador and he's 14 weeks old and he's just so cute I want to squish him. Oh, he's lying down. I like his pillow, by the way. What you got, Dave? Stuff. Ooh, you got a new toy. Sniffles. Oh, this, look. What's this? I love his waddle. It's like I need some private time.
Yeah, he's sat there quite a few times today.
He lies on all the rocks.
Do that again. Hi, Dave. Don't fall in the hole now. Let's look this way.
Concentrate.
Come.
Pussy.
Come.
Don't fall in the hole.
Currently no balls.
Aww.
And then soon to be no balls, David.
Yeah, balls for about 10 minutes. Dave's new family. He's just getting some puppy love. His big giant full tummy. Oh, he's so cute.
I could really do with a mouthful of food though.
Yeah.
Nibble, nibble.
Just over here.
Always nibbling.
I can chew it over here.
Snuggle
An
time.
old one.
Green little pup.
There you go.
Yo.
Am I happy? Definitely. Like you would not believe. Oh, little gorgeous man.
Who's just too cute.
He is.
We heart Dave. He needs his own Facebook page. Yes, you and Breezy can be friends. On Facebook.
Quite tall.
Dave is sleeping on his mummy. Too cute.
Best day ever.
Best day ever. Hashtag best day ever.
Is there a lot of that now?